Hi guys, welcome to Xperia Tips. I'm Dom and today we're going to take a closer look at the display on the Xperia 10 Mark II. Now, by this point you should be very familiar with Sony's choice of 21:9 cinema ratio for their latest run of handsets, and it comes with a whole bunch of advantages such as seeing more of your applications, having a wider field of view whilst gaming, and of course with Sony's multi-window UI it is perfect for multitasking. But in addition to this, the 21:9 display means that viewing cinematic content is much more immersive, as you don't have those black bars on the top or bottom and you get to utilise the whole screen. Even when you're watching standard YouTube videos, you can pinch to zoom and fill up the gorgeous 6-inch display. But you see, with the Xperia 10 Mark II, this is the first time Sony has put an OLED display in a mid-range device, so they wanted to make it extra special. In addition to the deeper contrast that OLED offers anyway, you get some extra Sony spice in the settings with your choice of original mode, which faithfully reproduces colours, or standard mode. Switching to standard mode, you can see an immediate colour shift because this will expand the colour gamut on the screen for brighter and more vivid colours. There's even a switch for video image optimisation, which sharpens content and extends the contrast and colours even more. So, there you have it. The display on the Xperia 10 Mark II gives you that little bit extra. With a 21:9 display, which allows you to see more and scroll less, a gorgeous 6-inch OLED display with Sony TV technology to give you a much more immersive experience, and of course, Sony's multi-window UI, which is perfect for ramping up your productivity when you're not getting sucked into your latest Amazon or Netflix obsession. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for some more Xperia tips.